Alright, there are literally hundreds of ways to pop pimples. I'm going to show you my favorite, but first, viewer discretion is advised. Now, some people use a method called cupping, where you use heat, which creates a vacuum, and essentially sucks a pimple out of your back. This is new to a lot of folks, but it's certainly one of my favorite popping techniques. Mind you, this sample comes to us from Duribari25. Go subscribe to their channel for more. Of course, some people get a pimple or ingrown hair like this, and they use a comedone extractor. This is one of my favorite techniques. Let us know what your favorite technique is with a comment below. I would love to hear your comments if you would rather use a comedone extractor or a cupping technique. Pretty interesting, right? This next technique is a pimple straw, which you press on a blackhead, and it causes the blackhead to extract from the pressure. Pretty interesting, and it's seen a lot in Japan. Alright, leave a comment below with your favorite technique, and if we missed an important popping technique or style or method, leave that in a comment below. I hope you liked the video. Please click like. As a bonus, here's an image of somebody who had a golf ball size cyst removed from their back.
Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.